daya turia tukuharireirie ndire wika no iri turateithania na memereke na njira ya ciko etago Vivian Wageshi nie njitago Francis Wairura kumana na unyitaniri mwega gatagati ka maabitha borithi undume na atwarithia a boda ni wocageire hanene ri uhoro wigie ugitiri guthi na mbere no kurugacirithio na njira nene matura matiganite ndomereri ino ihianitwo ni mwandiki mukaru thiini wa ministry ya maundu megie ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi na niwe Ndagitari Raymond Omolo na ni thutha wa kugia na giikaro na anyiti itemi thiini wa sekta ya boda.
As the security sector, we appreciate the close working relationship. And your leader confirmed here that since we began this relationship, we have had reduced incidences of insecurity, of unnecessary deaths of your members, also of making life difficult for the residents of Homa Bay. Now, you play a big role because you are part of the last mile connectivity in terms of transport. I want us to have a very cordial relationship with our chiefs, with our assistant chiefs, with our police officers, with our OCSs, so that you help us with intelligence, with information, so that we weed out any few characters that might be existing within the sector that would otherwise tarnish the good name of boda sector. Petty offenses, tukitoka hapa nyinyi kama viongozi mueleze wanachama wenyu waende kwa police stations. Signal imepeana hapa na kiongozi wa polisi hapa Nyanza region, so that tuendelee na kujenga uchumi yetu ya hapa Homa Bay na uchumi ya taifa letu.
Tukiuma gicigo-ini kia Nyanza udumana Homa Bay riu tuhiuke nginyagia kuria gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley. Kamishna wa gitaru kia Rift Valley na niwe Abdi Hassan ni athite na mbere na gukorwo agitugiria na njira nene thayo uri uthite na mbere na gukorwo cokireirie matura matiganite ma gitaru giki mwena wa Baringo, Baragowi, Odumwe na Turukana hamwe na mwena wa Laikipia nikuo gukoragwo kwihirwo muno kumana na uhoro wigi uhaguku bo gitiri no kwa ihinda riri muingi wa matura matiganite kaunti-ini ya Baringo no makorwo makiumagara Odumwe na gukorwo makinyitanira hatari na wagagu.
Vyema sana.
Unajua hii watu ya Arabal ni watu wamehangaika. Wamepigwa na risasi miaka nenda miaka ruti. Saa hii wametulia kule nyumbani. Na kwa sababu ya shida mingi Marigat ni huko mbali, hawashiki Marigat na hawashiki Mochongoi. Wamehang mahali. So sisi tunakuomba kwa heshima na unyenyekevu. Na tunajua ni kalamu moja tu na Arabal inakuwa division. Inakuwa Kapendasum division.
Upande huu wa Mkutane, upande huu wa Arabal ndio mahali kulikuwa na shida kubwa sana. Mpaka hapa Mochongo hapa Lomoywe na Kashela na Chevinyi. Sehemu hizo zote pato tuna ufungufu kwa sababu wale walirudi huko hawana uwezo. Tunashukuru kwa vyakula, pato tunahitaji vyakula na tumefungua sasa mabarabara ya security kupitia equalization van.
Bonde la Ufa County 14 iko salama. Na wakati serikali iliponituma hapa 2023 tulishindwa kukaa sehemu ambayo inaitwa Baringo South. Na tulifanya juhudi ya kukufa kupona na tukaleta usalama chini ya Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Na kwa mara ya kwanza hatujakuwa na visa vyovyote vya utovu wa nidhamu ama usalama katika bonde hili na haswa katika kaunti 6 ambazo ziko North Rift. Hata mahali tuko hivi sasa Laikipia, Baringo kwa mipaka tuko sawa. Na tuliwaambia namna hii kwa sababu pale Tandare, pale Kasiela na Arabal, paka Ramasha na hizo sehemu zote tulikuwa tumewaelezea kwamba hii serikali ndio itaangamiza majambazi, wapotee na wazimike.
Vyema sana.
Na kuma mwena ucio wa Baringo riu tuhiuke nginyagia kuria Masai Mara Makiria ma onjoria 21 na aria mathiaga na mbere na korwo makionjorithia thiini wa runyanjara rwa nyamu cia githaka rwa Masai Mara mari na gitumi gia gukorwo magikungwira na o ni thutha wa guthi na mbere na korwo mamukirite kimanjike kia makiria ma ciringi milioni 8 ikumahotithia hari gukorwo makionjorithia undu na gukorwo makiandandura biacara ciao. Kigina giki giukite kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa makorwo makiamukira mathomo ma kumahotithia hari kuigithia undu na kuhura biacara kuma kuri aigithia kuma nja ya bururi wa Kenya.
As a business person who love business, who actually have done business for the last 20 years, I have seen an incredible encouragement for our community, the way they are courageous to come forward and say, this is what I propose, this is what I liked to see happening. As Kenyans, we need to continue tapping our talents because there are numerous, so many talents that are there in the business. Being soap, being sheep, being cows, being beadwork. As you know, we are in the Masai Mara where tourism is the real key factor that came about a lot. And the most touching today is the environmental matter. It just came a lot to us that environmental matter really means a lot to our community.
We normally supply goods like mandasi, we supply breads, and I have write different proposals and business plan, trying to request from different companies if I can get a slicer, trying to make my bread more unique. I'm going to increase the workers in my bakery, and I'm going to make your money more of impact to me, so that the next time if I try this, I believe I will win again.
And I'm the scholarship winner of 650,000 Kenyan shillings, and I'm really excited about it, and I am also motivated in that I got the opportunity to even expand the skills about what I had.
We are doing one of the activity called Predator Tent pitching competition, and this is a program that's actually supporting youth, women who have startups, and those also who have ongoing businesses, to be able to get seed capital to upgrade their businesses. So for the winners, what's coming up now is to do mentorship on how they are going to utilize the funds based on what they had proposed.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti yo tukwamba gwikiriro hanini ni turacokereria ndukae guthie kuraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo nĩ your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW Kawa marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Are you ready? Because it's games time. Nĩ hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi na arĩa marĩ iheo. Ũkĩreherwo nĩ Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki njorua akĩrĩ ndumo ya iharo-inĩ. Tabarĩra njerũ cua ĩrĩa ũrĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 kinyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ndumo ya iharo-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Hihi nĩ ũrĩ waikio ngono nĩ abithaa wa birithi na ndũmenya kũnyitĩra kĩ? Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũĩ ihoto ciaku na hihi nĩ ũĩ atĩ wagi wa ũmenyo ndũngĩkũgitĩra kĩwatho?
Gatiba na watho wa bũrũri irabatara ũtaũku wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ona kũrĩ ũguo nĩ tũrĩkoragwo na gĩikaro na mawakiri matiganĩte tũngĩkũhe mweke wa gũkũrana ũrĩa watho ugĩte igũrũ rĩgiĩ ihoto ciaku, na oho tũgagũthomithia maũndũ marĩa ũbatiĩ na ũtabatiĩ gwĩka kĩwatho. Tũgagũteithia gũthathaũra ũrĩa watho ũroiga ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ ũramati na ũgai wa indo, wandĩki wa will na ũrĩhi wa magoti gatagatĩ ka mangĩ maingĩ.
For the first time nĩ tũkũreheire tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩgĩkuruhania maũndũ maya mothe. Tabarĩra ĩno ya mwanya ũkareherwo nĩ Francis Wairura. Nĩ o mũthenya wa kana ga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukauranira thini wa wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ. Haha tugakorwo tukiarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa maratuhutia ithuĩ ta mbeũ njĩthĩ, marĩa mega tugakorwo tukihimbiria, namo marĩa moru tugakorwo tukirunga. No tũrĩa kĩgwa kĩrĩ irũngo, ngakũnengereria kĩrũngo kĩa mbere nĩkĩo the talk table. Haha ngakorwo ngĩkũnengereria kiugo kĩa Mwathani ũndũ ũmwe na ndereti mwaki ya mũthenya. Ngakũnengereria kĩrũngo gĩa kerĩ nĩkĩo the freestyle arena. We wacia makinya nawe wacia kĩrĩu. Ngakunengereria kĩrũngo gĩa gatatũ nĩkĩo Sija kwambia. Haha ngakorwo ngĩkũnengereria maũndũ marĩa mothe marathi na mbere in the gospel industry. Nyitanagira na niye Joyce Wajiko wa Mwangi, the smiling ambassador. Ojuma shehada thaa kenda nginya thaa 11 cia hwaini thini wa tafarira ya wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ guku wa Kiheo TV kuria tugaga nikio kihumo kia witikiriku. Reke tugie kariko.
Toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ukanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiverereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya ikumbi ria Kigosho.
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Jewel Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kiriu kaheo umenyo uria wagirire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomisha naja ta German. Marehi maitu ni mafashirire uwega ukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo. Tusherere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera kifugo mungwaja kifugo imwe ithatu kifugo mungwaja imwe niyo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke etana thira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ino ni shesheni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Karibu ni twacokereria hari kireka ria keri na ria muthia. O riri turatigaria mathaa na ndigwo horo wigie wiyandikithia wa aikia kura ukorwo kihingo ni kamiti ya ithurano na miaka guku bururi-ini. Riu muingi na muno mbeũ njithi kaunti-ini ya Busia kurerikana ati matiri mareyumiria na nikio maraikia ihoya kahinda gakorwo gakiongererwo. Mwandĩki wa mohoro wa Irimo wa Wanjiro ari na riboti no kuma mwena wa Busia.
Komishona ya ithurano na mihaka iraheanite ihinda ria mweri umwe tu andu makoro meyandikithite taiki ya kura no rugutigarite thiko oro imwe na atongoria a kiama kia UDA kaunti ya Busia ni morite ihinda riri riongererwo kuona ti andu aingi moyete kura mwena uyu niguo kuhota ona gukinyira andu ethi kuona nginyagia riu gicunji kia 64 hari igana nikio kiandikithite taiki a kura na aikia a kura eru ni makiria ma 47,000.
Jumbe kwa IEBC tunawaomba watuongeze siku ili tuendelee kupeana watoto wa mama na wa baba kujiandikisha wakati huu. Tunaona haja sababu wakati tunawaleta kuna wengine wenye wamebaki ndio wengi, wenye tumeregister ni wachache.
The target ya kusajili hatujafika because we are at 62% na tumebakisha around 1 or 2 days kumaliza hii nafasi.
Atongoria aya aria marite hindi ya mushamanio wa amemba na atongoria a kiama giki mwena wa Odiado Funyula ni morite muingi kuhuthira ihinda riu ritiganite na kwiyumiria kwa wingi kuoya kura thiini wa ward ciothe 35 iria iri Busia, makiuga andu matikuriha onake guthie ceceni cia kwiyandikithia taikia a kura.
Sisi tumeweka mikakati ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunatembea door to door to ensure kwamba kama kuna mtu ako na kitambulisho na hajajisajili, tunamweka kwenye pikipiki, tunamweka kwenye baiskeli, tunampeleka kwa kituo cha kushika kura. We want to do the registration of the new members because saizi we have over 420 voters in Busia County. Our target kama chama cha UDA ni kwamba William Samoei Ruto apate kura over 300,000 hapa Busia.
Ona gukirora uguo ni mamenereirie uteti wa ngayukano makiuga ru ihinda ni ikinyu muingi wa Busia ukoro gicagura atongoria aria mekwenda oene.
The Gen Zs need to go and register so that they can make informed decisions during the elections. Let them not just be misled into saying Ruto mbaya, no. Let them register and then make that decision themselves.
Handu-ini ha Keo TV njitagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru.
Na tukirikireria na kuria Meru ni ati muingi ni uthite na mbere na gukorwo ugithingatwo ugakorwo ugikuria kwagirire na wona gwakinya ni uhoro wige guthura atongoria mwaka wa 2027. Ndumiriri ino yukite urire muingi urathi na mbere na ukorwo gikundio ukorwo kimurika undu na kugereka gabiro atongoria aria marenda gukorwo magithurwo hari iturwa itiganite. Oho ndumiriri ino yukite urire ateti nao makoretwo makiyumiria na kuha muingi na niguo makoro magithurwo hari githurano kinene.
The whole idea of this project is to strengthen local CSO networks to fight corruption and end impunity. And one of the greatest impact that we have received throughout the 4-year program is the fact that now CSOs are more capacity built to speak out their issues. They are more strengthened in terms of doing social accountability of the different programs that are running in the county. And we've seen also CSOs coming up very well, writing memos, attending public participation forums, and also issuing the real issues that are affecting the residents of Meru County. So the whole project has been impactful, and we hope that we can include more CSOs maybe in our next project line.
We have been in Meru and Isiolo for the last 3 years. This is our 4th year. What brings us to this side is a project called Tupigane na Ufisadi, which seeks to strengthen the capacity of local civil society to fight corruption in their local counties. What brings us here today is a conversation around issue-based politics, why this is a key thing for us within this project. And now, especially because we are moving into an electioneering period, it is important to start centering the issues of people, the concerns of the local mwananchi, into the conversations of politics, so that then as politicians are coming up with manifestos, the issues of the people are the ones that center their manifesto. How that is going to be solved becomes a basis of how citizens are going to engage with whoever political outfit or whoever who as a politician comes in to speak to the common wananchi. So what we are doing today is just citizens removing all the hats of the CSOs, trying to look at what is it that pains them in the morning when they wake up, so that then that becomes the center of all the conversations that are going to happen politically moving forward.
And the discussion is just to brainstorm on issue-based solutions within different counties. So as we sit together and brainstorm, it's an opportunity for us, even as a CSOs and your neighboring as Isiolo and also Meru, to look at the issues in different counties and what can be done as a CSO. Because us as a CSO, we are just contributing to what government is supposed to do.
Na riboti yo kuma Miruni yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tumana mo ngatho cia mwanya kuri we mwiroreri undu mena timu yothe iria yakore gitigira ati mohoro mane makoro megutukinyira na njira iria yagirire Juma wika no inde tumana memereke na njira yacie kwetagwo Vivian Wageshi ni njitagwo Francis Wairura. Good afternoon.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo